My final more report chart appraisal video on Monday the 10th of July with Mirror Japan Market, Alistair and Tech Markets. Looking at gold. Big breakdown on gold. That May low has been broken. I've been talking about May levels across several charts, haven't I? 10-year treasuries and dollar yen being specifically two. And gold has broken down and quite sharply now. Held that breakdown on Friday and has gone again today. Basically, today's high has pretty much been that reaction. Has been basically back at the resistance. 12.13.80 was that breakdown level, and that's basically where today's high was. So the market is accepting this level. You've got this downtrend which continues to accelerate lower. You've got the MACD lines, the RSI, and stochastics negatively configured across the board. Doesn't look all that positive at all now, does it? You've now broken this run of higher lows. We knew that anyway throughout last week, and that old uptrend became the basis of new resistance as well. That doesn't help. Doesn't help the outlook. Certainly also sort of failing underneath the 144-day moving average. Again, doesn't help the outlook. You could argue this is a double top with a neckline at 12.13.80, and measured sort of from the 12.96 resistance. That gives you what, 83 ticks lower. So yeah, there is this prospect of further downside. Yeah, it's going to be testing these March levels, certainly 1194.50. Initially, you'd argue 12 big figure, $1,200 is a key level of support because it's psychological. Market failing at 1300, so 1200 becomes a big level. Sorry. But that key March low, 1194.50, is the next big level to test. But yeah, if these sort of two levels get broken, then on a longer term basis, I think we're obviously going to be coming back, arguably, for a full retrace back to that December level. So the market is under pressure now to the downside, momentum-wise, very bad momentum. You've got that resistance that comes in around 12.14 now. Momentum on the hourly chart negatively configured, failing at sort of 50 to 60 on the rallies. Even today 40, but I think around 50 to 60 ideally would be a rally point to sort of sell into. MACD lines negatively configured. It all pretty much looks really quite negative. Yeah, it doesn't look great. So selling into strength still on gold, and yeah, the downside has now been opened. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.